You're going to turn up. Heavy head.
Let's go. Set it up. Set it up.
Roll.
Keep that leg out.
Belly up.
Get up now. Up.
There you go. Up.
Up.
Like the head.
Run away.
Get back.
There you go. Face her. Keep it.
Pull that leg in.
Pull it in.
Pull it out. Get on your feet. Up.
Now Emily up. Hey,
Time it up. Short time up and down.
Keep that leg.
Mule kick.
Nope.
Don't reach back.
Nope.
Look away, Peel. That's all right. Shit.
Hey, you better do it then.
Circle, be offensive. Circle, look to it. It's there. Hey, you gotta commit to that. Finish. Up, drive up. Hey. Commit to your attack.
Let's go, Em. Let's go.
Yeah, it's there.
Shoot, girl.
Go down. Post on the head, go round. Emily, post on the head. Breathe. There you go.
Hey, army up now. Tripod now.
Right the head control. Build up.
Tripod, don't let her hook that leg.
Mule kick. Kick that leg out. Tripod up.
Now, tripod, here we go. Get up.
Roll with it.
Hey, get up. Up. Turn and face her.
Turn in.
Go. Last me. All right, though. Now turn and face her.
Turn into her.
Now.
On your feet. Recover. Hey, let's go. Now we gotta get some back.
Heavy on the head now. Flatten her out, get in.
Hit the hips, flatten her out.
Eye over the leg.
Don't let up. Really angle.
Hey, 6-3, let's go. Let's go now.
Independence, number 2.
Hey, keep your hips in. Hip to hip. Hey,
Flatten her out.
Wrestling now on mat number 2, Mary Lopez Liberty and Mia Holmes.
Hey, let's go now.
Let's go. Be offensive.
Don't give me that.
Go. Hey, fight the head.
Up.
Up and out, face her. Bring your hips out.
Now step away from her. Step
There
away.
you go. Turn your head. Turn your head.
Now, turn it. Now.
Up and out. You're up. Face her, face her.
Got it. We're trying to tell her to keep her hips out.
Hip separation.
Hey, Emily, get your hips out and then tripod, away from the body. Now.
She's hot. Heel kick, heel kick.
Kick your left leg.
Heel kick.
Now. Over.
Tripod. Do it again. Do the same thing again.
Now, hey, dump that, dump
Pull
it.
in on that.
There you go.
Drive up.
Now, do it, hey. Chicken wing that elbow first. Chicken wing that elbow first. Pour it.
Hips to hips. Flatten her out.
Now.
Ready to go.
Now. Try. Let's go. 46 seconds. You gotta do it right now. Tight waist. Hey, flatten her out. Let's go.
Hey, you gotta stay heavy.
There you go. Switch sides.
Hey, get the half in.
Emily,
Put the half in now. 20 seconds. Go. Stall.
Go, Emily, go.
Stall.